we are mixing the coffee. Okay, mixing the coffee. After that, once it's become half cup, I'm talking about the heart shape.
Okay.
Every design has a different quantity.
Okay.
So once it's become half cup, okay, half cup is complete, and you will come close to the down wall.
Okay.
Down wall. Okay. Then this pitcher head, it should be in this side. Okay. Then you will pour continue. See, pouring continue little bit faster. Once it's become full, almost full, you come up thin line. Okay. Should not be like this. Some people what they do, from here they just push. Should not be. Once this circle shape is done, there will be circle come on the middle, white circle from the milk, because you push the milk from one side. After you mix, it will be brown color. Then the white circle you put from here until the white circle is completed. Then it will come up thin line. Should not be like this, huh? Not a drop. It should be a thin line close to the last border, the front border. Okay. So every one of you take one. So these two is ready. Before you put, you have to range the water. Okay. Why we range the water? At the same time it will get clean and the group will be getting. 4 cup.
First we have to bring the hot.
It's already hot, Baba. We are in the training.
Halas. Aha, the smell. I have bought this one, na? Small.
Yeah, great. हिलाते रहो, घुमाते रहो. Okay. This is how you can see this foam on the top.
Yeah.
It's very smooth, right? Huh? Now I will make it. So you are making heart shape.
Heart shape.
Pehla wala heart. See, just Baba, watch here. What I am doing, okay? My hand
We
is
have to
moving.
move both the hands.
Okay, look, circle, go up, close. Okay, heart shape. Then we will make what?
Tulip.
Okay, let's make it. We are making latte, guys, not a cappuccino.
Okay. This is tulip.
And we have the water bus, no coffee. Okay, for example, this much espressos are there.
Okay.
Now, just look at me. See my line. The water is dripping down, right? Non-stop, no break. Break means like this break. There is no break, right?
Okay.
Same line. Thin line should be go up and down. Why I am moving both hands?
Because
Like
of the
a circle.
crema.
To mix.
To mix
Yeah, the
with
milk
the
with the
coffee.
crema.
Not to have a white line in the coffee.
Yeah.
To mix. If you don't mix your coffee, the coffee will be not good. Once if the guest will drink, then he will say, what is this shit, like that. So to have a nice coffee, the temperature, the mixing should be nice. Okay, this is overheat. So